These are the 100-foot LED light strips. And first, I'm just noticing how thin this box is. See how it's packaged. So we have 2 rolls of the light strips. So they're about 50 feet each, since this is the 100-foot pack. Got our remote, and you got your QR code to scan with your phone to set this up with the app. Instructions. 1 power cord that connects to this, which connects to these 2. Okay, so following the instructions, I'm going to test these out and plug in my first strip into one of these. 4 prongs that line up just right. Press that in, and then I'm going to do the other set on this side. Now I'm just going to plug in my power cord, and I'm going to plug this in and just test them while they're on the roll. Hey, right away, cool. They work. Grab the remote. You gotta pull this plastic tab out first. All right, so let's test it. Green, blue, red, yellow. They look good to me. Flash. Strobe. Fade. Smooth. Very cool. So because there's only 1 outlet port, and there's 2 rolls that are 50 feet each roll has its own plug. So what I decided to do was to run both 50-foot wires up the wall, and then I split them. 1 wire then turned and went this direction, and then the other one went straight up and over. So because it had such a large space to cover, I did 1 50-foot roll doing this section of my room, and then the other 50-foot roll doing this section. So, and I ended up cutting it right where, so when I was done putting up the 1 50-foot roll, I still had a little extra. So you always want to cut it right along the copper lines. And I had perfect amount, and I even had a little bit left over. So yeah, it looks awesome. So this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. It took me less than 2 hours to put all this up in my room. As I was installing this, I did go through and just have a dust rag to wipe any type of dust that was on the wall. I highly recommend doing that for a nice clean adhesion. These lights are a must-have.